Greetings, salutations, it's Hadrian here. We are here in downtown Orange today and we're going to check out this store. So if you guys want to come over, check it out. It's super cool. It's in downtown Orange. Let's go inside and see what we can find today. Oh my gosh, you guys. How cute are these? I don't know where to look first, you guys. It's like seriously endless. Like Beanie Babies or something. How cute are these containers? Oh, that horse. Oh, look at that pig. He's so happy to be a pig. Oh, Rugrats. Oh, that mirror though. How much are you, beautiful mirror? $800. Wow. Pretty sure I've seen that cat once at the Goodwill. He's so cute though. Oh, some Roger Vivier shoes. Ferragamos. Look at that YSL stand. Oh my gosh, I'm in floral plate heaven. Wow. I think people are laughing at me. But oh my gosh, you guys. Like seriously. I love all of these plates so much. Oh, this one is so unique. Looks very Hermes. Air France tea set. Oh, the emojis. So pretty. Oh my gosh, that's definitely a haunted baby down there. So cool. Oh, this is like, I forgot what it's called. Leandro. There's so much to see. Look at all those pins. Snoopy stuff, collectibles, memorabilia. Gee whiz. Jewelry. The one with the panther is kind of cool. The turtle's fun too. Oh, this telescope. $195. That's actually not bad. I know these telescopes are really expensive. Okay, well they have this Pendleton teddy bear, $32.50. Really cool. Scary ceramic baby. $38.50. This is kind of cool. That'd be like a cool stand. All these like vintage things. Look at the clothes. US mail. So cool. Look at this vintage jacket. Wow. Ooh, I found the bags. This is one of those feed bags. I think those were like those charity bags that they did when you buy them. It goes to feed the children in Africa, I think. These boxes are so pretty. Wow. More wow. Wow, look at this Snow White poster. 65 bucks. That's kind of interesting. You can buy the whole box. That's sign for the autopsy room. Wow. Guys, I found a Louis Vuitton bag. It's 280 bucks. There's also a Kate Spade right there. Price undetermined. There's also a Tory Burch wallet up there. And another Louis Vuitton bag, but that one is, I want to say it's $450. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. This Louis Vuitton bag is so cute, though, with the cherries. It's $375. I just wish it didn't have a cigarette hole in it. This Led Zeppelin poster. Sports albums. Betty Boop, Dodgers. Oh, that is a scary picture. Whoa, that deer is huge. Or antelope. This is a cool vase. That coral is cool, and so is this temperature thermometer gauge thing. I have this same Starbucks mug. Ooh, I like these chairs. There's two of them. $15 each. Oh, look at these like vintage bottle caps. Ooh, planters. Ooh. $3.95, yikes. So many things to look at. You guys just like going crazy. The vintage Pyrex, you guys. There's so many pots. Oh my goodness. These are so fabulous, the orange and the yellow. Wow, $245. It's actually not like horrible. Lamps are expensive, especially like probably like those kinds would be really expensive. Beanie Babies, that the skull thing. Wow. For all the Barbie lovers.
The alarm is going off by Elvis's space. The alarm by the...
Oh, shirts. 2014. All these band shirts. Well, I'm so sorry I can't like show you guys every single thing because there's so much to see, and I feel like my battery is gonna die in a little bit, so I want to conserve it for the next stop. But if you guys enjoy going through these antique malls, let me know and I'll like make a special trip down here just to go through each store individually. So give this video a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments. Because this is cool, I've never been to these places before. This is very exciting. I don't know why I think these are so cute. It's probably because they have little feet. I love anything with like tiny little feet. It's so fun.